So we'll now have an introduction to the arithmetic mean. So let's first discuss what the definition of an arithmetic mean is. So a number A is said to be the arithmetic mean. We'll refer to arithmetic mean as AM. So A is said to be the arithmetic mean between the two numbers A and B if A is the term between A and B. So lowercase a, uppercase a, and b, lowercase b, are in arithmetic progression, and the term uppercase a is the arithmetic mean between lowercase a and lowercase b. The middle term of three consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression is the arithmetic mean. So that's simply put, between the extreme terms, if lowercase a, uppercase a, and lowercase b are in arithmetic progression, then for general purposes, we can say that an is the arithmetic mean between an minus 1 and an plus 1. Obviously, because an minus 1 is the term before an, and an plus 1 is the term after an. So for lowercase a, uppercase a, and b, if we apply the formula, obviously uppercase a minus lowercase a or b minus uppercase a, they're both equal. So when you take a on the other side, take uppercase a on the left hand side and the lowercase a on the right hand side, you get this formula basically. Uppercase a is equal to lowercase a plus lowercase b over 2, basically the mean formula. And for general purposes, an is equal to an minus 1 plus an plus 1 over 2. Now, let's find the arithmetic mean between two values. So we have 3 into under root 5 and 5 minus under root 5. We have to find the arithmetic mean between these two values. So we let a be 3 is equal to 3 into under root 5 and b is equal to 5 into under root 5. So we remember this formula, that the arithmetic mean is equal to a plus b over 2. Well, we'll simply put in the values of a and b. And when you do that, this is what you get. So the arithmetic mean between 3 into under root 5 and 5 into under root 5 is 4 into under root 5. Now we have to find the arithmetic mean between x minus 3 and x plus 5. Well, again, you'll put a is equal to x minus 3 and b is equal to x plus 5. So the arithmetic mean is equal to a plus b over 2. We'll plug in the values of a and b. And when you do that, you basically get this value, x plus 1. So x plus 1 is the arithmetic mean between x minus 3 and x plus 5. Now, we have these quadratic expressions, and we'll refer to them as terms. So the first term is 1 minus x plus x squared, and the second term is 1 plus x squared. And we have to find the arithmetic mean between these two terms. So again, we have this formula. We'll plug in the values of a and b. This will be a and this will be b. So when you plug in the values of a and b in this formula and you do all the calculations, you can see that this is what you get, 1 plus x squared. So 1 plus x squared is the arithmetic mean between 1 minus x plus x squared and 1 plus x squared.